Remove the respirator from its box. Pre-stretch straps by stretching them approximately every 5 centimeters along their length. Cup the respirator in your hand with the straps hanging freely. Place the respirator onto your face, then position the bottom strap below your ears and the top strap on the crown of your head. Use both hands to shape the nose clip to the fleshy part of your nose. Next, perform a fit check by covering the respirator with your hands. Exhale sharply. You should feel a slight positive pressure within the facepiece. If you do not, then reposition the respirator and nose clip and repeat the check.